Ninja Blast, so far one of the best compact blenders I've ever bought. Can blast through frozen fruit and ice. I've personally in the past have been using a mixer which has plastic blades, but that was for mixing milkshakes. This Ninja Blast has stainless steel blades that can cut through fruit and veg easily. Do have a read through the instructions before using the blender. Weighs about 800 grams. USB-C slot for charging. Cable is provided. The base is not waterproof, so just rinse the blades to clean. Colourful lights will indicate which settings you're in. Do follow the instructions to avoid any issues. The main thing is adding liquid first, then finishing it off with ice or frozen fruit. Personally myself, I add the water and just frozen fruit, but I don't blend straight away. I let it defrost for a while, then blast it. As blending it straight away, the blades might get stuck. These are the blades I prefer than plastic, just like having a NutriBullet on the go. Takes around 2 hours to fully charge, which gives you around 15 blend cycles. So as I was saying before, you place the frozen on top, not at the bottom. Now I had the Ninja Blast for over 6 months now, and it's still going strong. No issues that I've come across. A variety of smoothies or milkshakes you can make. And yes, it's leak proof. And that's probably one way to clean. Invest in your health guys, take care, peace.